Hi, so let me show you the basic alpha version of GachaMiner. After login, you will start here on the character creation screen. Here you can customize your character. They are very basic at the moment. And you can enter your name. Then just press Save Character. In the next step, you will be able to choose your country. So this will be the country where you start with your first mining location. You can also choose a city and then claim your first mining location. It will then bring you to an empty room where you can get your first free mining rack. So you click claim and you can place the rack somewhere in the room. Next step, you get a free electric panel. You can click claim and you can place it in the room. Next, you will get a network switch. You can click claim and place it on the rack. Finally, you will get a free miner. You can click claim and place it somewhere in the rack. Now your room is set up and you're ready to mine. First, you have to configure your new miner. For that, you click on the computer screen. Here you see the list of your miners, then click on the miner. Then start the miner, power it on. And finally set the currency you want and click save. And we're done. So now you're mining with your first free miner. If you want to have more miners, you can go outside and then you will see the outside world. Here you can go to the edge of your city on the top left, top right, bottom right or bottom left, and there you will see this building. Here you have the miner store. It's on the left side of the building. If you click it, you are inside the mining store. And here you can see all the available miners in the alpha for now. If you click them, you can see which currencies you can mine. You can see how much hash rate it has and the cost. All the cost is made in get, which is our internal token, and one get is always $1. So here you can see all the miners. There is also more, like the DIY store, when you can get more shelves. You can customize your walls or your floor. Also, in the city center, there is another store, which is the computer store and the electro store. If you go to the computer store, here you can buy network switches. And in the electro store, you can get more electric panels. And also, as soon as you have a lot of miners, you will need some cooling. So here you can get some fans to cool your room down. Last but not least, you can travel the outside world. So you can go around and look the city. You will see names above some buildings. So these are other miners which have their location here. In the later versions, you will also be able to see the other players in the world. You can also travel around. So you have the train. With the train, you can go to different cities in your country and also see the other cities. And in case you are in a big city, you can also use the city bus, which is in the center of the city, to visit other districts. But this is only available in big cities. So for example, this city, it has only one district, so there is no bus stations. But as soon as a city has more than 140 players, it will add another district. So each district contains 144 players, and then it adds another district to the city. And finally, we have some random mobs, some random spawns. You can find them in the outside world. One of which is the Lamborghini. And if you happen to find it, you can click on it. And you have a 35% chance to get some loot. So you can click it and maybe you're lucky. Not this time, maybe next time. And it will give you a buff, for example, to get more hash rate. And so now I have a chance to find it later on. The Lamborghini spawns once an hour. And it can spawn in every city with more than 5 miners inside the city. So good luck, have fun, and see you next time.